Here comes a train. I hope it's a long one. And the horn is gonna toot in like a couple of minutes, actually. Told you. Here it comes. Three engines and some cargo containers.
Three engines.
Three engines, yeah.
Oh, I think we already seen this one.
There's just a lot of those.
We might have seen this one.
Looks like it's putting on its brakes.
It's trying to stop. It's trying to stop.
I don't know what those things are, but it's still stacked. Yep, here comes some trailer cargo. A bunch of them is just UPS and mini ones too. So I see a lot of them behind. So I think there's gonna be a lot of heat on this train. He's still putting on his brakes.
No, that's a different one, semi. That's a different semi. That's not UPS. Mom, these ones aren't UPS.
I wonder what that was. Well, the trailer just moved up and down.
It's stopping.
Yeah, it's stopping.
It stopped.
Stopped.
Well,
how long this is gonna be?
probably how long that in your hopper room's staying. That one we seen that. So stopped.
Maybe collided with the other train over there. Who knows?
The UPSs are gone. Well, my worst is actually, I wish I could touch one of those containers.
Here we go.
Where are we going now?
I wonder what happened.
Our time's gonna fall.
If you can see, there are the railroad crossings.
You leaving?
But we're in a different spot or a different view.